Imagine waking up one day and realizing that the knee pain you've been carrying for years is completely gone, that you can climb stairs without stiffness, and that when you go to bed, you sleep deeply and wake up with renewed energy. And all of this without spending a fortune on medications or going through painful treatments, just by using 3 simple ingredients you can find in any grocery store. It may sound unbelievable, but more and more people are experiencing it. The truth is, once you hit your 30s, your body begins sending quiet warnings. Your skin loses firmness, your muscles don't respond the same way, and your joints feel heavier. Many people accept these changes as just a normal part of aging, but the reality is that much of this wear and tear can be slowed down and even reversed. Today, I'm going to show you how to do it naturally, safely, and in a way that could start delivering results in just days if you stay consistent. Stick with me, because what you're about to discover could completely change the way you care for your body. After the age of 30, your body begins a gradual yet powerful biological shift that most people completely overlook: the steady decline of collagen production. Collagen is the protein that makes up nearly 1/3 of all proteins in your body. It's the internal scaffolding that keeps your skin firm, your joints flexible, your ligaments strong, and even supports your bones and blood vessels. Each year, your collagen production drops by about 1 to 1.5%. That number might sound small, but over time the effects build up. Fine lines start appearing, joints become stiffer, nails weaken, muscles lose tone, and digestion slows. And it's not just age to blame. Chronic stress, too much sugar, poor sleep, and excessive sun exposure speed up the breakdown of collagen. This means you're not only making less of it, you're losing what you already have even faster. Understanding this process is the first step toward reversing it, and in this video you'll learn exactly how to reignite your body's natural collagen factory without relying on expensive treatments or unnecessary supplements. When I first realized what was happening inside my own body, I knew I didn't want a quick fix or a temporary band-aid. I wanted a real solution that worked from the inside out. I shared what I'd learned with friends during a casual gathering, and many of them had already accepted joint pain, back stiffness, or constant fatigue as part of their everyday life. I proposed a simple challenge: drink one specific homemade recipe every morning for 3 weeks. We didn't expect miracles, but the results shocked us all. More than 80% of the group reported noticeable improvements: less pain, better mobility, deeper sleep, and an overall sense of well-being they hadn't felt in years. Some started walking long distances again, others went back to yoga, and many simply enjoyed having energy throughout the day. Personally, the knee pain I felt after sitting for long periods completely disappeared, and I began waking up feeling fully rested. All of this was thanks to 3 simple ingredients that work together like a perfect team. One kickstarts collagen production, one improves absorption and fights inflammation, and one delivers collagen in its most ready-to-use form. The first ingredient is so common that you've probably seen it hundreds of times in the produce aisle without giving it a second thought: chayote, also known as vegetable pear or mirliton. At first glance, it seems plain and even boring, but inside this humble fruit lies a powerhouse of nutrients that can transform your joint health, skin elasticity, and overall energy levels. The real secret of chayote is its incredibly high vitamin C content, a nutrient absolutely essential for your body to produce collagen. Without enough vitamin C, your body simply cannot assemble collagen fibers properly, no matter how many supplements you take. Think of vitamin C as the master builder on a construction site. Without it, the structure will be weak and incomplete. One medium chayote provides nearly half of your daily vitamin C requirement. But the benefits don't stop there. Chayote is loaded with antioxidants like flavonoids that help fight silent inflammation, one of the root causes of joint pain, stiffness, and premature aging. It's rich in water and fiber, which support digestion, help with weight control, and assist your body in flushing out toxins. It also contains potassium, a mineral that supports muscle function, balances fluid levels, and regulates blood pressure. People dealing with water retention, cramps, or joint discomfort often find natural relief when adding potassium-rich foods like chayote to their diet. In our recipe, chayote plays the role of the activator. Its vitamin C lights the spark that turns your collagen factory back on after years of slowing down. It's like flipping the switch in a factory that's been shut down. Suddenly, the machinery comes back to life, and your body gets the signal that it's time to repair and rebuild. Next time you see chayote at the market, don't overlook it. This humble ingredient could be one of the most powerful allies for your joints, your skin, and your daily energy. The second ingredient is one you might already love for its sweet, tropical flavor, but most people have no idea about its hidden medicinal power, pineapple. Specifically, the fibrous core that most people throw away without a second thought. That core is where pineapple holds its highest concentration of bromelain, an extraordinary enzyme that plays two vital roles in this recipe. First, bromelain acts like a natural protein scissor, breaking down complex proteins into smaller, more digestible pieces, making it easier for your body to absorb essential nutrients like the amino acids from collagen. Think of it this way: eating protein without bromelain is like trying to chew a large, tough steak. It takes time and energy. But when bromelain is involved, it's like that steak has been pre-cut into bite-sized pieces, ready for your body to use immediately. Second, bromelain is a powerful natural anti-inflammatory. In fact, scientific studies have shown that bromelain can be as effective as certain anti-inflammatory medications, but without the side effects that can harm your stomach or kidneys. This makes it invaluable for people struggling with chronic joint pain, arthritis, or swelling. Beyond bromelain, pineapple is rich in vitamin C, manganese, and antioxidants, all of which work together to fight free radicals, support immune health, and stimulate your body's production of new collagen. It also helps improve digestion and reduce bloating, making you feel lighter and more comfortable throughout the day. In our recipe, pineapple's role is twofold. It enhances nutrient absorption, so every sip of the drink works harder for your body, and it actively fights the inflammation that's been holding back your recovery. By including the core, the part you used to throw away, you're turning an ordinary fruit into a potent therapeutic ingredient. Combined with chayote, it sets the stage for the third and final ingredient, which delivers the raw material your body needs to rebuild from the inside out. The third ingredient is one that many people think of only as a dessert component, but in reality, it's one of the most accessible and effective ways to give your body pure, ready-to-use collagen, unflavored gelatin. Unlike the collagen found in meat or bone broth, which your body must break down over hours of digestion, unflavored gelatin has already been processed into small peptides that are absorbed almost immediately. Think of it like handing your body pre-cut building blocks. There's no extra work required to prepare them. This gelatin is especially rich in two amino acids that are difficult to get in significant amounts from most other foods: glycine and proline. Glycine plays a key role in collagen synthesis, helps maintain healthy cartilage, and even has a calming effect on your nervous system, improving sleep quality. Proline is essential for tissue repair, skin elasticity, and joint integrity. Taken consistently, gelatin acts like a reinforcement network for your body, improving joint mobility, lowering injury risk, making your skin firmer, and giving your hair and nails a healthier appearance. But for gelatin to work at its best, preparation matters. Many people make the mistake of mixing it directly into boiling water or cold liquid, which reduces its effectiveness. The correct method is to hydrate it first with warm, not hot water, letting it bloom for about 5 minutes before gently dissolving it. In our recipe, gelatin combines perfectly with the collagen-activating vitamin C from chayote and the nutrient-absorbing, inflammation-fighting power of bromelain from pineapple. This trio creates a synergy where each ingredient boosts the other's benefits. Chayote flips on the collagen factory, pineapple speeds nutrient delivery and reduces inflammation, and gelatin provides the actual raw material your body needs to rebuild. Taken daily, this combination doesn't just mask problems, it actively restores and strengthens the very structures that keep you moving, feeling, and looking young. Now that you know the 3 powerhouse ingredients, the key to getting the most out of them lies in how you prepare the drink. Even the best ingredients can lose much of their power if handled incorrectly, so following the process step by step is essential. Start with the gelatin. This is where many people go wrong. Pour 1 packet, about 10 grams, of unflavored gelatin into a small bowl and add exactly 5 tablespoons of warm water. The water should be warm enough to touch comfortably but not hot, roughly around 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius. Stir gently and let it sit for exactly 5 minutes. This step, called blooming, allows the gelatin granules to absorb the water and swell, making them dissolve more easily without damaging the collagen peptides. While the gelatin blooms, peel half a chayote and cut it into small cubes, leaving the seed intact because it contains valuable nutrients that blend well. Then slice a 2 centimeter thick piece of pineapple, making sure to include the fibrous core. Remember, that's where most of the bromelain lives. Place the chayote cubes, pineapple, and 1 2/3 cups, 400 milliliters, of filtered water into a blender. Blend for a full 3 minutes to fully release the nutrients and create a smooth base. After blending, add the bloomed gelatin to the blender and blend again for another 2 minutes until you have a uniform, slightly thick drink with a pale greenish-yellow color. If you notice some natural separation after a few minutes, don't worry, it's just the fiber settling. Simply stir before drinking. By following this method, you preserve the delicate structure of the collagen peptides in the gelatin, keep the vitamin C in the chayote active, and ensure the bromelain in the pineapple remains potent. The result is a drink that delivers maximum nutritional impact with every sip, setting your body up for optimal repair and rejuvenation. Timing is everything when it comes to getting the full benefits of this collagen-restoring drink. The absolute best moment to have it is first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Why? Because when your stomach is empty, your body can absorb nutrients up to 60% more efficiently. This means the vitamin C from the chayote, the bromelain from the pineapple, and the collagen peptides from the gelatin go straight to work without competing with other foods for absorption. Drink it immediately after preparing it, while all the enzymes, vitamins, and peptides are still active. Waiting too long can cause some nutrients to degrade and the gelatin to thicken. Once you finish the drink, wait at least 20 minutes before eating breakfast or drinking coffee to give your body time to fully absorb the nutrients. Many people report that when they drink it this way every morning, they begin noticing subtle changes within the first week, less stiffness when waking up, smoother skin, improved digestion, and even better sleep quality. Over the course of 3 to 4 weeks, these benefits compound, joints become more flexible, fine lines soften, and energy levels become more stable throughout the day. Consistency is crucial. Think of it like watering a plant. One day won't make a difference, but daily care transforms it over time. If you can commit to drinking this every morning for at least 21 days, you'll give your body the steady supply of raw materials it needs to rebuild collagen and repair tissue from the inside out. It's a simple habit, but when done at the right time and in the right way, it can become one of the most powerful steps in your daily health routine. One of the great advantages of this recipe is how easy it is to adapt it to your personal needs, tastes, and health goals without losing its core benefits. If you're not a fan of chayote's mild flavor, you can replace half of it with cucumber. Cucumber adds a refreshing taste and is rich in silica, a mineral that supports skin elasticity and strengthens connective tissues, a perfect complement to the collagen-boosting vitamin C. If you want to supercharge its anti-inflammatory power, add a thumb-sized piece of fresh ginger before blending. Ginger not only enhances circulation, but also amplifies joint relief by targeting inflammation at its root. For those looking to nourish their skin even more deeply, a teaspoon of coconut oil can be added to provide healthy fats that improve the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins and deliver essential fatty acids that feed your skin from within. If you're aiming for stronger antioxidant protection, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder combined with a pinch of black pepper can help shield your cells from premature aging. Want to boost joint support even further? Add a teaspoon of chia seeds that have been soaked for at least 15 minutes. These provide plant-based omega-3s, which help reduce inflammation and improve mobility. If you're managing blood sugar levels, use slightly less ripe pineapple for lower fructose content, and consider adding a pinch of cinnamon, which can help regulate glucose. These variations allow you to create a version of this drink tailored exactly to your needs while keeping the core synergy intact. Chayote activates collagen production, Pineapple enhances absorption and fights inflammation, and gelatin delivers the raw material for repair. To truly enjoy the long-term benefits of this drink, you need to think beyond a short-term experiment and turn it into a sustainable habit. Most people notice small but encouraging changes in the first couple of weeks. Maybe their knees don't ache as much when climbing stairs, or their skin feels a bit more hydrated. But the real transformation comes with consistent, extended use. Over 2 to 3 months, the cumulative effect becomes undeniable. Skin looks firmer and more youthful, hair and nails grow stronger, and joints feel smoother and more resilient. To achieve this, drink it daily for 90 days straight. After that, you can switch to a maintenance schedule 3 times a week to keep the benefits without overcommitting. The beauty of this habit is its simplicity. The ingredients are inexpensive, widely available, and quick to prepare, making it easy to fit into your morning routine. Think of it as an investment in your future mobility and vitality. Every day you drink it, you're reinforcing your body's structural foundation, nourishing the skin's elasticity, strengthening connective tissues, and keeping joints lubricated. And because it's a natural, food-based approach, there are no harsh side effects, only the gentle but powerful restoration that happens when your body is given the exact tools it needs. Skipping days occasionally won't erase your progress, but remember, the body thrives on consistency. Treat this drink like your morning coffee, something you do automatically, without debate, and you'll find that maintaining your results is as effortless as starting them. While this drink was designed with collagen restoration, joint health, and skin rejuvenation in mind, its benefits extend far beyond what you can see and feel on the surface. The vitamin C from chayote and pineapple doesn't just stimulate collagen, it also strengthens your immune system, helping your body fight off colds, infections, and even speeding up recovery after illness. Bromelain, the enzyme in pineapple, is known for improving digestion by breaking down proteins more efficiently, reducing bloating, and preventing the heaviness many people feel after meals. This same enzyme has been studied for its ability to help the body recover faster after physical activity by reducing muscle soreness and swelling. The gelatin provides glycine, which supports liver detoxification, a process that not only keeps your skin clear, but also helps maintain hormonal balance, especially important as we age. Glycine also plays a role in calming the nervous system, which can improve sleep quality and help manage stress, indirectly protecting your body from the damaging effects of chronic inflammation. Together, these effects create a cascade of benefits. Better digestion means more nutrients absorbed, improved sleep allows your body to repair itself overnight, reduced inflammation eases pressure on your joints, and a stronger immune system keeps you active and resilient. The truth is, even if you started this drink purely for joint pain or beauty benefits, you might find yourself experiencing unexpected changes, more energy, less bloating, better mood. Simply because you're feeding your body a combination of nutrients it rarely gets in such a concentrated, synergistic form. If you have questions about adapting this drink for your personal needs or health condition, leave them in the comments. I'll personally help you find the right approach so you can get the best results possible.